We'll be looking at read and write. How do you read and write to the blockchain? In previous video, you saw how to create primitive data types, how to work with constant, immutable. Now we are going to write some functions that will help us send some things to the blockchain and also read from the blockchain. So mind you, when sending anything to the blockchain, it's a transaction and it costs transaction fee or gas fee. And then when reading from the blockchain, you are not being charged anything. So let's see that in action. Assuming we have uint norm, and then we have a function to set the value of norm. So we could have something like this and say norm is equals to n. So that means we are saying that this number we declare, this state variable we declare is equals to this number. So we can also get the norm and say so here we can actually return norm. So after creating your contract, the next thing you want to do is to compile it. So you click on this play icon. So after compiling it, you go and deploy the contract by clicking on deploy. So after deploying, you can open it up to interact with it. So if we say 10 and then we set 10, we have sent something to the blockchain. So if you check this log, you notice that there's a gas execution cost and transaction cost, and there's a gas fee. And then if you do get norm, we get the value of 10. So this does not really cost us anything. So if we check the log too, it's just going to return the value and nothing more. So that's it, guys. See you in my next video. Please do well to subscribe and share this video with your